I've been working all morning on getting some new samples ready for the website. All of our products are getting kind of a, I don't know, facelift? Makeover? I don't know. We're gonna be mostly working with skirting leather from here on out, and it's just, This is the chestnut color that I've been crushing on really hard lately. So I'm just making each wallet style. So this is oak, and it's gonna kind of take place of the natural tooling. So it just gives it a little more of a sun-kissed look, and it just looks, And then black will be the third option. But anyway, I'm getting kind of a late start. And we gotta run out and grab a couple things. And I think Whit and the kids and I are gonna go grab some lunch while we're out. So as soon as I get back, we'll get started. Oh yeah. Hey! Are you hobgobblers ready to go?
You showed me kicking me in the face.
Cool boots, bud. You're staying here?
Yeah.
All right, see ya. Going into our favorite place. Good thing you got yours. You guys all have your boots on.
Where are your boots?
Over the holidays, I got an email from an executive from the Utah Jazz, and I was just so shocked. I was like, what? The Utah Jazz is reaching out? So he reached out to see if we could produce a few custom products that would be given to some of the VIP season pass holders. I was, of course, 100% on board. A couple of things he was looking for was a DOP kit, which I made in one of the previous videos, a makeup bag for the ladies, and a passport holder. So I'm putting together some samples for him. So I'm using these videos as an excuse to get some of the samples done. So today we're making a ladies makeup bag. I'm thinking something about 5 inches tall, about 2 inches wide at the bottom. The pattern for this is actually gonna be really similar to the tote bag that I did in one of the previous videos. The difference is it won't have the top handles or the shoulder strap. It'll have the same zipper configuration up at the top, but at the bottom I'm gonna do a box seam, probably 2 or 3 inches, just to give it a little bit of depth and volume. And I'm thinking about putting a gold foil stamp on there. Or should I just burn it in? We'll figure it out. Let's do this. My leather panels here are 10 inches wide, but I'm only gonna cut my zipper 9 inches wide. And that'll make sense at the end once you're trying to turn it. But basically, the ends of these panels are gonna be wrapped into themselves like that. So you wanna account for a 1/2 inch on each end where there isn't any zipper. So now I need to make some little leather tabs that just wrap around the ends of these. Those will act as the zipper stops. I caught it before I stitched it, luckily, but I forgot to put the hardware on. Let's get that on. So like I've mentioned in other videos, these zipper teeth have a direction, and these ones are all pointing that way, so I'm gonna put the zipper head on that direction. This one on right next to it. It might get a little gummed up because there's some cement in there. Alright, we're in. In like Flynn, whatever that means. Pretty sure it's sexual. Alright, let's try this again. This thing's starting to come together. The thread jammed right there, so I got 3 holes that I didn't end up making it back into, but over here the stitches got a lot shorter because I forgot to move the zipper head and the presser foot was hitting it, throwing it all out of whack. So anyway, it looks pretty good though. And yeah, so the last step, I guess, would be to fold it backwards and make the stitches from there to there to there. And then I'll push these together and make a stitch across there to make that box shape. All right, let's do the dang thing. Oh, just about made another mistake. You gotta make sure the zipper's open before you stitch that closed. Now we're ready to roll. All right, let's get these little babies stitched up. Some of that right there, little stitch. All right, this is the moment of truth. And I'm usually a little bit nervous to turn these smaller bags, especially with this more rigid leather. Like I said, if I do this again, it'll be with softer tempered leather. But I think we can do it. Just gonna start with one corner. All right, not too bad. This is the way that the more rigid leather always acts. It starts looking a little bit wrinkly, like tinfoil or something. I'm actually waiting on some softer tempered vegetable tan leather, and as soon as it gets here, I'm really excited to start trying out more projects like this. I'm gonna get a zipper pull on here. And boom, we're done. This was a fairly simple one, but this is definitely something that I could see us adding to our product line in the near future. The real question is, will the season pass holders of the Jazz like it? And I hope so. Let's quickly read some comments. We got one from Jay Cowper, says, when I buy things as often as possible, I try and make the decision based on who I'm buying from and then what I'm buying. You, sir, have got me sold on your products. Gosh, thank you so much, Jay. That really means a lot. All right, these are the comments from our last video, making our best-selling leather wallet, version 2. Justin S. says, what ounce is the leather for these? Just starting, so I'm unsure as to what thickness to use. Thank you for sharing your life. Yeah, and I feel bad because I should have mentioned that in the video. That leather was 3 to 4 ounces. Just as a general rule of thumb, we usually use 3 to 4 ounce leather for wallets. Cesar M. Hernandez says, love to you and your family from Mexico. Thank you so much, Cesar. Christine Meyer says, tell Whitney she looks cute. Prego. I remember seeing that comment and I read it to her and it really made her day, so thank you. As always, there's a link down in the description. The first link you'll see will take you to Tandy Leather. That's an affiliate link, so anything you buy from that link, we'll get a small commission from, and we really appreciate you guys using that. It helps support us, helps us justify continuing these videos. And right below that link, there's a list of all the tools and supplies that we use from Tandy with the corresponding item number. So once you click on that above link, you can just copy and paste the item number into the search bar and find what you need. So yeah, that's it. Thank you guys for watching. It means the world to us. We love you, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye.